Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investors channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about another interesting project that in my opinion has a good short-term potential, and this project is called Troy, or the Troy token, right? Again, as always guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any other project we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website troytrade.com in order to learn more about this project, right? But before we talk about Troy Trade, I want to talk to you guys about Gateio. Gateio is a centralized exchange that's known for listing low market cap gem tokens way before they get listed on major centralized exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. What this means is, if you have a Gateio account and if you invest in these low market cap gem tokens, you stand a chance to make 10, 20, 50 or even 100x gains on these cryptos, right? And if you don't have a Gateio account, I highly recommend you guys to use the link in the description to set up your Gateio account today. And by doing so, you will not only be making some really good gains, but you'll also be able to use some of their world famous tools such as copy trading, giveaways, and NFT boxes in order to further increase your profitability as well, right? And by using the link in the description to set up a Gateio account, you are also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank in advance. So going back to the Troy token, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information present on CoinMarketCap page for this token, but this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what is Troy? Troy Trade is a global prime broker specialized in crypto trading and asset management. It provides crypto brokerage services for institutional clients and professional traders with products such as spot and margin trading, derivatives, data, custody, lending, and staking in one account. So Troy Trade is basically one of the global prime brokerages that's mainly specializing in crypto trading as well as asset management. And what they're trying to do is they provide crypto brokerage services for institutional clients. So they're mainly focusing on institutional clients because institutions are starting to come into crypto space and they need a space where they can use a brokerage service, and Troy Trade basically comes into play along with professional traders. So professional traders with high net worth values will basically be able to use Troy Trade for their asset management and crypto trading service, right? And they basically offer spot and margin trading, derivatives, data, custody, lending, and staking all in one account. So that's basically the main focus of Troy Trade, right? So some of the features that they offer is master level trading platform. So one account with a single interface that enables access to the aggregated liquidity of crypto exchanges. Some key functions include smart order routing, flexible account management, settlement service, and automatic risk control. So basically these are some of the features that are offered by Troy Trading, where they have one account with a single interface that basically enables aggregated liquidity on crypto exchanges. And some of the key features that they offer include smart order routing, flexible account management, settlement service, and automatic risk control. So these are some of the functionalities that they offer, right? So data analytics empower customers' decision making with a data matrix framework. So they do provide data matrix framework to allow for customers to get empowered in their decision making. And data categories include blockchain data, trading data, market data, social data, and media data optimized by AI and quantitative models. So these are all some of the models and data that they provide services to. So the third one is brokerage services, so competitive fee rate and order execution speed. So they have a very high speed as well as their order execution fees are very low as well. Real-time fund transfer and settlement layer provide margin trading and OTC services with advanced convenience. So they provide a lot of services, including OTC services as well as margin trading, with lots of convenience, which is not really available in regular, brokerages and services, right? Crypto trading services, right? So full stack quantitative solutions. So infrastructure powered by co-location service to better the performance of high frequency trading algorithms. So they provide extremely beneficial co-location service, which increases the performance of high frequency trading algorithms, offer exposure to quantitative solutions with straight through processing, precise tick historical data, and strategy assessment system. So basically all of these is saying that they offer some of the most cutting edge trading solutions as well as asset management systems out there in the crypto space, right? So they have their own native token called the Troy token, which has the following function. So the Troy token basically functions as the medium of exchange in this organic network. So they are calling themselves as an organic network, and this network relies on a particular token, and this token is basically the medium of exchange for the entire ecosystem, right? And the token basically provides workload reward of relayer network to encourage timely and accurate updating, broadcasting, and synchronizing orders. So the token basically provides reward of for the relayer network to encourage timely and accurate updating, broadcasting, and synchronizing orders. So the token also serves as a relay medium for the exchange of unconventional token trading pairs in ring matching. So another complicated way to say that this token offers a medium of exchange for unconventional token trading pairs. So if you have a token trading pair that is not really conventional, which is very specialized and specific, basically this token will basically offer that, right? And acts as a trading fee unit when users call up the trading and settlement functions. So when users basically need to pay fees on this particular platform, it is done through the Troy token itself. Means of access to features in Troy and burnt as gas fees. So the Troy token itself is burnt as gas fees in order to make it as a deflationary token, right? And incentives for brokers and to reward brokers contributing to maintaining a global ecosystem. So they do provide options for brokers to get rewarded as well as to get incentivized and to maintain the global ecosystem as a whole, right? So those are some of the features and functions that is offered by Troy Trading. So let's go to the website itself to see what other information we can access. So if you go to the website troytrade.com, this basically provides you with a very interesting information. The website has pretty cool, and I really like the logo on the top of corner. So redefine trading beyond exchange, moving to a smart hybrid assets management platform. So that's their overall service. And if you see, they're spoken about in Forbes, Yahoo Finance, Cointelegraph, Coin News, and so on and so forth, BTC Manager as well. So there's a 2.0 version of their platform, which you can read through about here. So they provide liquidity aggregator services, data analytics, flexible earn option, as well as quant strategy. So these are all functionalities they're offering as well. So product overview. So you can basically buy assets across platforms by centralized aggregated trading. Again, when we mentioned about aggregator services, this is something that they also offer. Data analytics with Troy Data. So they have Troy Data, which provides data analytics for multiple different trading pairs, which can be helpful for traders. On-chain asset transactions on Troy Swap. So they offer on-chain asset transaction services with Troy Swap, which is their swapping slash AMM tool on their platform, right? So we create sustainable value. So they're focusing on creating true value within the ecosystem. So they are partnered with Block VC, Binance Launchpad, NGC Ventures, Signum Capital, Consensus Lab, Alpha Coin Fund, GBIC, as well as Bixen Invest. So these are all some of the big names, including Binance Labs, Binance Launchpad, as well as NGC Ventures, right? So, and if you see Troy's token statistics, includes 10 billion tokens as a total supply, which we'll cover in a few seconds during the tokenomics review. And the market cap is $17.06 million, which we'll also cover in a few seconds. And the current price, which we'll also cover in a few seconds, is basically less than 1 cent per token, right? So this is the information that they have on the website, including media and news, if you want to learn more about the updates and progress. And if you want to contact and ask questions, you can also do that on the website, along with the fact that you can access the social media information, which will help you to become a part of that community, right? So overall, this is pretty much the overview of this token itself. So if you go to the coin market cap page for this token is currently ranked 437th by market cap on coin market cap, and it's currently trading at less than 1 cent per token. In fact, it's trading at $0.004 per token. And it has a 22.33 increase in the past 24 hours. So it seems like the token has been increasing the past 24 hours consistently, close to 22-23%, which is quite impressive because the token is being recognized and a lot of people are starting to buy this token despite the overall market downturn, right? So the market cap, as we discussed, is $40.7 million. So previously in the website we saw $17 million in market cap, but now on CoinMarketCap page it seems like the updated numbers are $40 million. So it's surprising that they haven't really updated that information on their website, considering the fact that they do claim to be good at gathering and processing data. And it's ironic that they couldn't really update their own market cap data on their website, which is very funny to me. But nonetheless, their market cap is $40.7 million, right? If you scroll further below, you can clearly see the max supply. They basically mentioned that the total supply is 10 billion tokens, but they don't necessarily have a max supply, which is quite concerning because the token is quite inflationary, and therefore you don't really have an option of retaining value for the long term, because there's going to be more dilutive nature of this token, which will push the price of this token downward in the long term, right? Even that being the case, there's about 8.91 billion Troy tokens in circulation, which is a huge supply. So unless there's significant demand, the token price will, again, even though in the past 24 hours the demand has been quite good, we don't really know whether the demand is going to be sustainable for the mid to short term, right? So that's going to be something that we need to pay a close eye to. I do think that this is still a good short-term play, but you need to play very carefully, right? So if you scroll further below in the charts, you can clearly see that the token, despite having such a huge supply and no max supply cap, the token has performed quite well in the short term, obviously validating the fact that this is a good short-term project. The initial price of this token was worth, again, $0.008 per token. As of 7th of December 2019, it went down to an all-time low of $0.001 per token as of 24th of March 2020. And then it was increasing and decreasing, but making no specific moves until early 2021, when the token went from $0.003 per token to an all-time high of about 3 cents per token. And this was as of 16th of April 2021, and then it crashed immediately after that, reaching a relative lows of about $0.006 per token as of 20th of July 2021, and then went back up to 2 cents per token, and then went back down, and then it recently went back up, and now after going a little bit down, now it's starting to rally back up, right? So this token makes a good bouncy pattern, like up and down motion. It has done this at least 4 times in the past, so there's definitely lots of opportunity for this to do this pattern till it reaches $100 million in market cap. And maybe even after the $100 million in market cap, this token will still continue to act as a bouncy token. But I think this token will probably stop making significant gains after it crosses the $100 million mark, right? So I think that's definitely something that we can clearly expect. But if you're trying to buy this token right now, you're still going to be able to buy this token way before it reaches the 1 to 1.5 cents per token mark, right? Which is definitely a possibility. So if you scroll further below, you can clearly see the Bitcoin comparative is also extremely volatile. I wouldn't really recommend buying this token with Bitcoin comparative, but as you can clearly see, the token has made similar bouncy patterns with Bitcoin comparative as like in the dollar comparative, but it doesn't seem to be as prominent as dollar comparative, right? So if you see, the initial price of the token was 1,000 satoshis per token, but then went to an relative all-time lows of 264 satoshis per token before going back up to close to 75 satoshis, went down to 75 satoshis again, then went back to 49 satoshis per token, and then kind of bounced, and currently it's trading at 15 satoshis per token, which can definitely go up, but I would not really recommend you trading this token with Bitcoin comparative, because you could lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing, right? Dollar comparative seems to be the most safest bet for this token right now. So if you take a look at the market where this token is available, you can buy this token from Binance, because obviously Binance Launchpad was a partner for this token, so you easily can buy this token on Binance. Binance provides most of the liquidity for this token, and apart from Binance, Gateio is also a really good exchange. If you don't know what Gateio is, it is one of the centralized exchanges that is known for listing low market cap gem tokens before they get listed on major centralized exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. And by using the link in the description to set up a Gateio account, you're not only increasing your profitability, but you're also getting a 30% trading fee rebate on any trades that you make on their exchange, right? So by using the link in the description to set up a Gateio account, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank you in advance. So apart from Gateio, you can also buy this token from Toko Crypto, Binance Dex, and so on and so forth. But I wouldn't really go below Gateio because Binance and Gateio will probably give you the best options in the crypto space to buy this token, right? So what's my final verdict on this token, guys? I think this token is a really good token for the short term. It definitely has proven itself based on its market cap, as well as the fact that in the past this token has made some predictable gains and dumps. So if you know how to ride this token in the dollar comparative, you can definitely make some good gains, right? The negatives is that this token is not a good mid to long term token because of its extremely high inflation, huge token supply, and obviously there's going to be a lot of people who will not be able to reliably use this platform, because this platform is mainly meant for institutional traders and asset management corporations. So you may not really get a huge boost in your returns by holding on to this token for mid to long term, but definitely for short term, I think you can definitely make some good gains, right? I think the next few months this token will reach as high as 1.5 cents per token, which is pretty good. But I think it can definitely go even higher than that and continue to make the bouncy pattern for quite some time, right? So be very careful. It's definitely risky, but with a high reward, right? Again, remember, guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.